Good morning, Achieve. Happy Wednesday. Today's Wednesday, February 24th, and we're going to continue talking about curiosity. My co-host George is going to help me with that right after we do our Pledge of Allegiance. So, George, please stand, and everybody else, please stand. All right, we're going to salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. All right, so we are going to talk about curiosity. I'm going to show you some slides with a definition. Oh, there's George. Hi, George. Okay, here's our definition of curiosity. Curiosity is something that you can do to seek out information and ideas. You can use your curiosity to learn more stuff. You can also use curiosity to ask questions. You can deepen your understanding about things. You can also use it to push yourself to try on other people's perspectives. We're going to talk more about that in a minute. But first, I want to show you some things that you could ask more questions about. Maybe your schoolwork. Maybe the lesson shows you something and it kind of sparks your imagination, makes you want to learn more about that thing. So maybe you're going to use curiosity to learn more. Maybe you're curious about outer space. Is there other life on other planets? Are there aliens out there? Maybe you're curious about animals that live in different habitats. And so you might want to use your curiosity to find out more about that. So those are just a few examples of different things that you could be curious about. You could also use curiosity to understand other people better. That's using your curiosity to try on other perspectives. So perspective is a point of view. It's how you see things. And that way that you see things is developed through all the different things that you've done in your life, different places you've gone and people you've met and different experiences that you've had. Those things shape how you see the world. And so everybody sees the world differently. And sometimes that makes it hard for us to get along. So the more we know about people, the better we can get along. And we might even start to take on some of their perspectives about things. And that just makes us better people. So we're going to play a little game called I Go, You Go. You might remember Mr. Walsh that was a special guest on Morning Assembly in January. He taught us this game. And it's just a game so that we can get to know each other better. So my co-host George and I are going to practice the game for you. All right, George. I really like to go kayaking. Well, I really like to swing from trees. Oh, that's probably why you have such long arms. Okay, George, my favorite food is tacos. Well, my favorite food is bananas. Of course it is. And my favorite color is green. Well, my favorite color is yellow, just like my blanket. Yellow's the best. Okay, thanks for sharing that, George. Okay, now you guys are going to have a chance to play I Go, You Go. So your teacher can pair you up and go ahead and play for maybe a minute. And then if you want, your teacher can have you switch partners and then you can play for another minute. So you're just going to share something about yourself and then your partner is going to share something about him or herself. And you can get to know each other better. All right, have a great day, Achieve. Bye-bye.